We also support our families in every facet of this program. So our foundation is we're going to look at the child developmentally, mechanical movements, the progression of movements, chemical, the labs, we want to know what's going on inside of the body, and the brain. We want to see what happens when we do a brain map. The nutritional program is very recommended. It's one of our moms who just became a great warrior throughout this program, and she's done a fantastic job in learning how to change recipes around when one ingredient isn't used because it might be part of the sensitivity food profile, or it just may be a known allergen. We can adapt and change those recipes. So our nutrition program is another part of Connect My Brain. It's separate, and you can sign up for either a particular service, like you want help with grocery shopping, you want help with meal planning, or you may want the whole thing. So you're allowed to select a certain item or the entire package. Our goal is to help families make the food part easier. In 24 years of doing this kind of work, the food changes has been the greatest stumbling block for all families. So here at Connect My Brain, that is another avenue that we've tried to take the obstacles, get them out of the way, and help you to be successful on your path.